Ben Crow here, Master Luthier at Crimson Guitars, and welcome to my home studio. I have been meaning to do this project for rather a long time. I found this absolutely gorgeous vintage car or probably motorcycle headlamp through my side business, vintagetoolshop.com, and the second I saw it, I knew I had to turn it into an Anglepoise style workbench lamp. Burn it. Haha, yay! It's winter, and in spite of all of the windows, it's getting darker. And repeatedly over the last couple of weeks, while I've been doing the current guitar build project, I realized I needed more light. I have lamps everywhere, but I don't have something that I actually don't mind being in shot. So here we are. I'm going to take an LED ring light of some sort and fit that in here, and this scrap Padauk left over from building my tool rack at Crimson HQ, and I think something special is going to come out of this. I hope so. I absolutely love this finish. The texture, the dents, the crazing and cracking, and it's got what looks like a blue LED. Everything's improved by a blue LED. Now, I generally use hand tools, but in this case, I want to rip these down into multiple lengths of exactly the same width, and I don't particularly want to do too much planing. So yeah, Triton Work Center with the table saw insert is going to make my life much, much easier. And I have entertainment while I'm doing it. Perfect. So that is the basis of the angle bit, and it should actually fold up into a relatively small footprint, which is going to be good. I need to drill a lot of holes, and they all need to be in exactly the same space. So we're going to make a drilling jig to use on the pillar drill. Who needs a bandsaw? Quick and easy. Super good. It's all good. Now these are going to be going through the outside like so. I'm not going to recess that bit because, well, I don't have the right size bit here, actually. But that is thicker than the threaded bar that's going to be going down the center. So just mark out the sides where I need it to be bigger. Where's my glue? I swear, one of my children comes in here and moves my wood glue, and only my wood glue, for no other reason than to mess with me. It's like a former employee who used to dip people's pencils, the tip of people's pencils, not the mechanical ones, into super glue. There's my glue! Haha! Success. Maybe I put it there. That should do nicely. I need this to be able to swivel about itself, so we're going to have a bolt in there somehow, bolted to the bench. We need to make a system to hold the lamp in, and of course, add the internals, which have now arrived. So just a simple USB-powered LED ring. Let's cut the excess off. We're getting there. I'm uncertain what I want to do on the base. I think I just want to screw it to the bench permanently-ish. But yeah, there's multiple different things that you could do. You could have a bolt going all the way through. You could have it just to go have a clamp hold it on the end of the bench like many commercial versions do. But this is just going to be there permanently and screwed in, I think. For now, I need to move on to the lamp itself. I'm putting this together roughly finished, and the temptation as I get to the end is to just leave it roughly finished. I should probably sand it first, shouldn't I? Great end cutting pliers. Who knew? Let's hope I don't break the glass. Well, there we go. That worked all right. It could have been manufactured to fit inside there. When I'm holding the glass down, there isn't even any movement at all. It's perfect. Haha. I don't want to put it on the tripod. I think that's actually just incredibly cute as she is. Isn't that cool? I'm going to put it on the tripod, but yeah. I don't have power yet close enough to the bench, and I didn't want to drill a hole all the way through, so the wire is going to be visible. I know, not as cool as it could be, but let's go over here. Oh, yes. And white light, yellow light, both. Well, I need to think about a swiveling base of some sort, or whether I'm just going to screw it down to the bench. I'm not entirely sure yet exactly where I want this. I've even thought about mounting it on the ceiling. I have the flexibility I need. That base needs a little bit more strength, and I obviously need power on my bench at this point. I'm incredibly happy with how this turned out. Let me know in the comments below how many of you are going to be trying their hand at the relatively simple task of making a timber Anglepoise lamp. I'm not 100% certain how I feel about the wood all being nicely sanded, etc., and then the lamp itself being what it is. What do you think? Love it. Okay. Now I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Please click like if you've liked this, click like if you have not liked this, and then let me know why in the comments below. Please subscribe, and check out our other channel, Crimson Guitars Extras. This is a lot of things to do. If you do nothing else, comment below and let me know how you would do it. I, at this stage, of course, would change many things. The most important thing that I might still go back and edit is how the bass works. I think I might take the two central leaves and offset them so I've got a bigger bass. But for now we have functionality. It needs to be a bit tighter. There's no springs, and I would definitely hide the cable. I just don't know how to do that with such long, thin pieces of wood. This has been a blast. Thanks for joining me.